Okay, sorry, I had to make room on my thing, on my camera, some memory stick, because it was full of crap from the vacation I took. But after I realized that, I decided I couldn't give up on the sear, so I just popped the sear in real quick. I just have trouble lining up the holes exactly, you know, just getting the two pieces to align just right. Yeah. Let's see now. Mainspring. Okay, grip safety. So I can line that up on me. Once again, music. I'm probably going to be replacing my grip safety anyways soon. Come on, you. Just using the base to knock the pin for the mainspring housing. Have that. No, I don't. What do I have? Busted ass screwdriver. There it goes. Mainspring housing's in. 2 clicks. Well, I don't want it to drop, but yep. Just like that. Come on. Safety on. Okay. This is this side. For them. Yeah, the song I'm listening to is in Grand Theft Auto 4. Although the weird thing is, I heard it before Grand Theft Auto 4 was even announced, I believe. It was a friend of mine that sent me a link one day. Not bad. Some German chick. And in a minute I'm gonna use the get a screwdriver to snug these screws down again a bit. Till then, this will work. Yeah, I definitely need to get these scales replaced. Just need to find some that I would like. Oh, it's just slow it down now. So far, and pretty soon I will be carrying this with my CCW permit. Thanks for whoever that was that mentioned that. Looked into it, and turns out that in about a month or so I will be getting my conceal carry permit, so I can legally carry a handgun. I always thought I'd have to wait until I was 21. So my frame has all its components in it. Yeah. Okay, there's my frame. Now I've got my slide. Let's put all these components back in. I think I have Metallica up next in my playlist. Went too far in there, but that'll be okay. Now oh, I didn't pop that. The frying pan spring out. Oh well. Oh well. Come on, push down.